She won't go all night, come through and she looking fly, yeah. Me and you gon' ride through the night, we gon' have the time of our lives, yeah. Look to my left and to my right, too fine, I just can't decide, yeah. Drown out all my fears with the wine, let's begin the night, yeah. VIP cause we don't like the lines, tell them keep it short just like a vine, yeah. She too scared, been looking for a sign. Horoscopes and stars gotta align, yeah. It's okay, I got cake. This your moment, shorty, is it make or break? You been trying to find the right one, take a break. Come and get away, it's gonna be okay, yeah. She won't go all night, tryna put that thing in overdrive. I got the I can't choose, either way I got nothing to lose. Shawty right there got the caboose, yeah she got that thing I can't refuse. I can't choose, somebody tell me what to do. I gotta choose one but there's two, give me just a sec to think it through. It's gonna be a long night, it's gonna be a story. I don't have no diamonds, they in water finding Dory, yeah. She just hit the Uber, now she in the house like Corey. We go back into the future, we reliving all the glory, yeah. She won't go all night, tryna put that thing in overdrive. I got the juice. She fine, she a dime. She like a vodka soda, but she like wine, I cannot choose. Yeah. Hey. It's me. Hey. Yeah. Whoo. Yeah. Whoo. Yeah. Whoo. Hey. Yeah.
Operation October in full effect.
Yeah, Captain make it sexy. Making money in my sleep, that was rare and that was normal. Taking trips overseas, yeah, that was rare and that was normal. I buy a ghost if I please, now we talking paranormal. That was rare and that was normal. That was rare and that was normal. Corvette with the gold wrap, yeah, that was rare and that was normal. Making Bill Gates through the dash, yeah, that was rare and that was normal. At a meeting in my sweatpants, now we talking informal. That was rare and that was normal. That was rare and that was normal. Bitch, I'm about my business, breaking records just like Guinness. Getting pesos, don't speak Spanish. I'm like Popeye on some Spanish. I'm the bestest and I'm blasting it. On the wave, I'm rafting it. I don't even try with this bitch, but I just mastered it. I don't sweat, I'm too neat. Yeah, no diamonds up in my teeth. Yeah, bitch, I'm always winning. I got records you can't beat. Yeah, ooh, I made the beat. It's so simple, it's so easy. Green like seaweed, you can't beat me. I'm too fast, you can't see me. Yeah. I got soldiers like your J's, yeah. Damn, I got it made, yeah. We don't pray for the prey, yeah. I'll smack a tray in your face, yeah. Eat a hater for lunch. Got bars, got a bunch. Got the sauce, got a hunch. Got the juice, get punched, yeah. Making money in my sleep, that was rare and that was normal. Taking trips overseas, yeah. That was rare and that was normal. I buy a ghost if I please, now we talking paranormal. That was rare and that was normal. That was rare and that was normal. Corvette with the gold wrap, yeah, that was rare and that was normal. Making Bill Gates through the dash, yeah, that was rare and that was normal. At a meeting in my sweatpants, now we talking informal. That was rare and that was normal. That was rare and that was normal. This the part where I go off. Got her posing like yoga. Command the booty like Cobra. Two Jaguars like Noah. King of the hill, call me Jonah. I got 5 times the persona. It could put a hater in a coma. It's a rap, no toga. This number 4, call it Wallaby. Why your girl always calling me? Now she Instagram stalking me. Said wanna peek and I said possibly. Damn, flexing on them like the gym. With the carry, call me Jim. Michael Phelps the way I swim. I'm with my dog like Finn. Finn? Feel like Zias, but I'm slim. I be hanging with some twins, and they treat a player like a prince. Are your pockets on a diet? Cause I swear they looking thin. Uppercut to the chin, played you like a violin. Ooh. Making money in my sleep, that was rare and that was normal. Taking trips overseas, yeah, that was rare and that was normal. I buy a ghost if I please, now we talking paranormal. That was rare and that was normal. That was rare and that was normal. Corvette with the gold wrap, yeah, that was rare and that was normal. Making Bill Gates do the dad, yeah, that was rare and that was normal. At a meeting in my sweatpants, now we talking informal. That was rare and that was normal. That was rare and that was normal.
Sexy game.
I ball like a mug, on top like a bunk. Super Saiyan, call me Trunks. I don't care what you want. See, I got the cake on me. I look like a bakery. Shawty said she wanna stay with me. I love Shawty wanna lay on me. See, I got the juice, 50 shades of the goose. Now she kicking off her shoes. Ooh, I think she on
Yo, what's up, daddies and dadettes? How's it going, guys? Today, or tonight, or almost today, I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess I'm gonna keep working on the shop plugin, but I might, I don't fucking know. I don't even know why I'm streaming right now. I told myself, Cody, as soon as I'm done working, I'm going to do some calculus, you know? I'm kind of getting behind on my calculus. I need to write down my little notes. I don't use notes, but I need to write it down. And then what I need to do is study the next sections so that I can do my homework. But no, I want to stream instead. I'm going to stream. Should I stream? No, I'm not going to stream. Okay, I'm not going to stream. But then I'm streaming right now, so let's do this thing. Anyway, what's up, guys? Hope y'all are doing good today. Or tonight, whenever you are. What's up, boys and girls? Am I talking to myself? Can y'all hear me? Oh, good. Oh, y'all can hear me. Good. What's up, baby? What's up, baby girl? Thanks for coming to my stream, baby girl. I'm glad you're here, baby. All right. Anyway, so let's pull up Minecraft. Oh shit, that's the wrong version. Fuck. How much did it cost for me to build my PC? I don't fucking know. Last time I built a PC was in 8th grade, so probably $1,000. And I upgraded it recently, actually. I got a new motherboard and a new CPU fan and a new CPU. That cost a good probably $700, I think, something like that. And then I just bought another GPU for $700 something. So just do some geometry and yeah, I don't know, something like that. Money is material, though. I've got never mind. But I would say like its current worth is probably like $1,500. I don't know. I'm not good at math in my head. In big numbers. Baby girl? Oh. Did I do that? Hi there, baby girl. Come get a spanking from daddy real quick. You been a bad girl recently. I might have to punish your ass. You understand me, girl? Hails to the yeah, baby. Alright, so we're just gonna start up the server and get the plugin here so we can view the progress we've made so far. Yesterday, we converted my shop plugin to a, well, I added the menu manager and all that stuff, so it's better structured and all that. So we're just gonna see what's broken, what's working, and try fixing what's broken. At least that's the plan. Oh yeah, I need to get rid of, let me restart the server. I need to get rid of a plugin, my lobby plugin. So plugins, lobbyist, boom, bye-bye. Is anyone else here besides Tochi Bongo? Nice to see you, Tochi Bongo. Oh, what's up, Barraport? What's up, man? Barraport? Okay, so we're good. Perfecto. So now let's do /shop. And here we have our shop menu. We got rid of the barter shop. We're going to replace that with a stock market shop. I'm thinking about buying a basic gaming PC that's around 500 to 700 and slowly upgrading it. I mean, if you're gonna buy a computer, don't buy a pre-built computer and then upgrade it. Build it from scratch and then upgrade it later. So if you're gonna spend that much money, well, first of all, in terms of reality, that's a very low number. But if you want to upgrade it, then I guess that makes sense. But I would still build it custom from the start, because pre-builts are not meant to be upgraded all the time. Some of them are just, it's not good to be upgraded. Oh, hey, what's up, Primum? Hey, I got it first time. Primum, what's up, man? Good to see you again. Thanks for joining. But yeah, I would come up with a list using PC Part Picker and then buy it one by one, basically. Or you can start an OnlyFans and you can get lots of money from that. That's another way to finance your adventures, you know? Anyway, just a little strat for you. So, marketplace, let's try adding a new one. Put this, why can't I move? Just working on a cooldown for my haste crystals? Okay. We shall work together. No homo. Unless you're a girl, then it's full homo. Let's do it. Why can't I move the item? I think it's because I'm canceling the entire event, which is not good. I gotta think about that. Gotta think about that. Because in my menu manager, in the listener, I'm canceling the move event, no matter what. So either I gotta... Excuse me, I'm about to burp. So either I gotta cancel my... I gotta not cancel it completely, or what I have to do is redesign it. I need to probably just... I think that's the best way, just redesign it. So if they want to put an item within here, then they can just click it and then it'll put it in there automatically. I think that's the easiest way to do it. That's definitely possible. And then if they go back or exit the menu, then, excuse me, it gets a little complicated in that case, because then we need to, sorry, I'm trying not to burp. Then we need to keep track of the item even more, which is complicated. So it's easier if we just let the player handle that. Yeah. Gotta think about that. Is this a multiplayer server? No, this is localhost. My favorite server. I play on localhost all the time. It's one of my favorites. Y'all should try playing on localhost. Maybe make a check that if item is equal to material bow, set canceled. Set canceled. No, that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make it so that so my shop plugin, you click it and you click sell item. It wants you to put an item inside of this little hole here and then you'll sell it. But since I'm canceling the move event, I can't move items in the inventory. So I only want to cancel the top part, not the bottom part. That's what I mean. So what I could do is actually I could cancel only the top. I think that should be possible, right? Hopefully. Maybe. Perhaps. What's up, Dark? You dork. You're not starting an OnlyFans? Well, I think it's a good option, you know? I mean, if you start an OnlyFans, I'll support you. You know? Just kidding. Just kidding. That was a bad joke. So let's think about this. How do we cancel the top? So right here in my menu listener, so whenever they click on a menu and it's a menu from here, so if it's a menu holder or inventory holder, and then if it's an instance of menu, which is my menus that I've put here, then it cancels it. But we only want it to cancel if it's the top part, basically. So if menu is equal to chest, that's a good question. But so we know, at least I think I know. So we know that we can do e.get clicked get view, and there's a bottom view and there's a top view, right? So get bottom inventory and get top inventory. So maybe we can just check to see if it's the top inventory or the bottom inventory, theoretically. So what if instead of getting the inventory.get holder, we do, let's just comment this out. So instead of doing that, what we could try doing is e.getView.get top inventory. So if they click on the top inventory and that happens to be an instance of menu, then yes. Oh yeah, we went the holder, so get holder. So maybe that'll work, I don't know. But this might just cancel the entire menu. Or like this may work, this may be recognized as a menu, but canceling it will probably still cancel the entire menu, both bottom and top, which is what we're trying to avoid. We only want to cancel the top. So that's even more tricky. But just to see what happens, let's try saying something like, I like sticking cheese in my ears. Okay, so we'll try that and see if it prints out to know if that actually works or not. It's an interesting question. And I have to restart the plugin every time since we're using a database. I haven't found a way around that yet. By the way, if you're watching, hit the follow button, because if you do, you get a brand new car. I'm not even lying, by the way. You actually get a brand new car. Try it out. I'll mail it to you. Oh, the Lambo just arrived? Nice, yeah. So if you subscribe with Twitch Prime or just, you know, buy this subscription, you actually get a Lambo. But if you hit the follow button, you get a yacht. So, I mean, you just have to weigh the choices, you know? Some people want a yacht, some people want a Lambo. So it's up for you to decide. Or you can do both. You follow and subscribe, you get a Lambo and a yacht. So that works too, you know? Hey, what's up? Minnie eating Mickey Snut. What the fuck? Has followed. Thanks for following, Minnie eating Mickey Snut. You now get a yacht. I'll be shipping that to you immediately. Oh, how much for a helicopter? That'll be 100 bits for a helicopter. So every time you send me $1 in bits, then you get a helicopter. So yeah, I'm like a stripper that just gives away expensive stuff. Anyway, so let's continue. So it says I like sticking cheese in my ears. So it does work. That's good. So it's able to recognize that the top inventory is a menu, but we only want to cancel the top. So how in tarnation shall we do that? What we could do is have a interface. Oh, what's up, Ash? Good to see you again. What we could do is have an interface for the menu superclass, and if you implement this interface, then it marks it as a menu that you don't want to cancel. I think that's a better option. And the menu cancel logic goes into the menu itself. I think that works. So I've never actually used an interface before. Lol. I've never actually used an interface before, besides like interfaces that are generated for me. But we're gonna find out today, shall we? So let's pull up. Just make it in here. One more burp incoming. You're welcome. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. So what should we call this interface? Custom cancel handling? I don't know what to call it. We'll just call it custom cancel handling for now. And we don't actually need to have any code within this interface, do we? I don't think we do. Because I don't think we do. So now inside of what menu is that? That's the insert items menu. So now in insert items menu we can do implements custom cancel handling. So now when we go to the menu listener, we can check to see if that menu is an instance of custom cancel handling. At least I think that's how Java works. I don't fucking know. It's not like I have a Java series or anything and I would know how Java works. I have actually no idea how Java works. Oh, an Apache or just a lame-ass attack helicopter? Oh, all of the above. All of the above. Did I get new graphics? Yes. 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 Okay, anyway. So now we can do if holder is instance of custom canceling handling. Yeah, so I hope that works. I don't fucking know, but we'll find out. So then if it is, then we could say I like sticking cheese in my ears. Otherwise, then we'll just do what we're already doing. So there we go. So let's try that out. Face reveal 150 followers? No. No. I will reveal my ass to you. My ass. My awesome sniping skills. You want to see that? How quick your finger had to be? Oh, you talking about the GPU? Yeah, I got the 3080. Actually, it's not even that I got lucky. Well, I did kind of get lucky. My friend told me that the Dutch Amazon, or what, German Amazon, I don't fucking know. They had the GPU available. Like, it was available for pre-order, and I just pre-ordered. I was like, I'm probably not going to get it, but I pre-ordered it. And then some people got thrown off from the pre-order, apparently. But I didn't. They actually kept me on the pre-order. So I'm back-ordered right now, but I'm still going to be getting the GPU because I got in early enough. So I'm trying not to leak my address like I did yesterday. But there she is. So it's a Zotac one, but I should be able to get it soon, hopefully. I don't think it's going to be by then, but I'll be getting it, hopefully. They're actually sending the GPUs from Zotac to Amazon right now, and then I'll get it. So that'll be cool. So I can watch hentai in like 4K. That's going to be sick. Anyway, so let's try this out. Yeah, it's a GG, man. GG. Hentai in 4K? Weak, not even 8K? No, they haven't released 8K hentai yet. I'm waiting for it. I'm in it for that VR though, you know what I'm saying? That sword art in online. Okay, let's try this out. It's fucking working. Holy shit. Can you guys remind me how much of a genius I am real quick, if you don't mind? Wait, we only want to cancel the top though. No. Okay, it's working, so good. Good, perfect. You don't have the platinum package? Oh shit. I might have to sign up. Tachi Bongo says, why watch hentai to begin with? Because it's an experience. It's an experience. There's nothing else to say about it. I think you can use NVIDIA upscaling to upgrade the resolution. Oh, nice. You're a genius, dude. Fuck yeah. And I can get some ray tracing on that shit? Holy fuck. This is gonna be a good day. Anyway. Okay, so if it's an instance of custom cancel handling, then we'll not cancel it. Otherwise, then we do want to cancel it. And then besides that, let's do that. Do that. I think, right? Yeah. That's what we want to do. So, yeah. Okay, cool. So inside of, what the fuck was that? Shut up, Google. Alright, so inside of here is where we handle it. Oh no. No. Where the fuck is it? Oh, inside of here. So inside of here, I'm checking to see all that stuff. But the question is, how was I doing it before? Because if you canceled the... What the fuck is that sound? Oh, I'm starving to death. Because if you cancel the inventory click event, it's just going to apply to the whole thing, so... That's a weird one. So how did I do it before? I think what I was doing before is I was checking to see if it's not... If the thing that I click on is not... Yeah, there we go. So if it's not the item... Okay, so if it's not... Okay, English. Oh, I died. So if it's not the middle slot, then we can cancel it. So that makes perfect sense. So that's still being applied here, so that's good. So let's try that out. I think I need to... Yeah, let's redo this. Why am I starving? Oh. Shut up. Bitch. Get dominated. Alright, so yeah, we need to restart anyway, so let's do it. What did y'all do today? Anything exciting? Can y'all hear me swallowing Pib? Yo, Pib is so good, holy shit. Oh, that's true, Ash. I should do that. Hello. Played some Ark, Primal Fear, and worked on my plugin. Okay. So you have no life, I get it. Okay. Sounds good. Just kidding, slightly. Alright, let's try it out now. So we should be able to put the items in there, according to my calculations. Perfecto. Next, and then awesome. So let's see if this works. So I can enter my price. So $56. Holy shit, it works! Holy shit. Guys, my code works. Holy shit, guys. And I can set the time. Holy shit, my code works. Isn't that crazy? Guys. This is cool. Except that should be 2 days, not 2 hours, but we'll fix that. Wait, no. We do want to... Okay, so this is 2 days, this is 12 hours, this is 2 hours. Okay, that's cool, that's how time works. My slurps are pretty good. I could give you a more detailed analysis of my slurps if you want. Yo, why don't you use paper instead of spigot? Is there any difference that you are aware of? I think I am using paper right now. Unless you mean the paper API. I don't use that because, I don't know, I guess I don't really see a reason to use it. Because they haven't added that much to the Spigot API as far as I've seen. So there's nothing really influencing me to move to it. But the paper, the server jar is much faster than Spigot, so I like that. It's faster to start up and everything. Anyway, so let's click submit time. Try not to burp again. Oh, look at that, it works, holy shit. So item description, sand 1, 56, duration. Boom. And now it's listed on the market, so it's automatically added to the database, and it counts down. Fuck, I can't stop burping. So one thing that I have not implemented yet, what I want to try implementing is it like live counts down, so it updates the lore every whatever seconds. I think that would be pretty cool. But I gotta think about the best way to do that though. Gotta think about that one. I guess whenever you open the inventory, then it just opens up a task. I think that makes sense. And then when you close the inventory, then it closes down. Possibly. Oh, Tochi Bungo says no detailed slurps. Okay. Kind of hurts my feelings. Whatever, man. If I die, I'm gonna be so mad. Removed from the market, yes. This blows my mind that it's working out of the box like this. This is crazy. Holy shit! It's actually working. Really? Oh shit, it's still on? Oh fuck. What does it sound like, I wonder? Okay, let's think about what we want to do now. So we've implemented the marketplace. I'm assuming there's still going to be some glitches, because there's bound to be glitches. And then we have the commodity shop. It's working pretty much, but it's pretty much trash at this point. We need to make it better. And so what we also need to do is change our database code. I want to separate it from the other code so it's more separated and juicy. I think that's the best thing to do. And also I want to make models, object class models for our our listings, our market listings and stuff like that, because that's the best way to do it, I think. Even if I'm not using the Java Persistence API, I think I should use that. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Primum. Oh shit, it's still on? Oh fuck. It sounds cool when I type with the echo on. I like it. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I was ranting about database stuff. Okay. So yeah, we gotta do that. So, fuck me. But I'm glad the sign actually works. So, I have a sign editor. So whenever you click, it wants you to enter the price, you can type the price into a sign, and then it does that. So that's pretty cool. Also, we should find a good stock market Java API to use, so we can begin working on that. Let's see if we can find one. Does anyone know any stock traders out there? Oh yeah, Java, Yahoo Finance has a Java API, I think. I wonder if it's good though. Should be good. Single stock, easy refresh. This will automatically refresh the stats and dividend data of the stock in a single request. Okay, I think this looks pretty solid already though. We can use this. Single stock. I got some examples. That's cool. Let's try using the Maven import here, so we don't have to do it manually. And I guess we'll use 3.15.0. So let's go to our POM here. Oh, it shows up. That's pretty cool. We got to think about how we want to design this too. So we're gonna have a stock market, and we're gonna have a stock market, and we're gonna have a stock market, and so I guess I don't know too much about the stock market, but let's pull up a what's a good stock market website? Fuck, what's it called? What's it called? Motley Fool? Is it? Wait, is that it? I don't even know. I think that's it, right? Let's try this. No, that doesn't have, that's not what I'm looking for. What was I looking for? Fuck me. I mean, I have stock accounts. I could use that, but I think Google Finance has one. Okay, cool. So, yeah, that's what we want to do. We want to list the top markets, and then, well, we want to list the top stocks, just whatever those are. Let's try, hold on, give me a second. Let's see if we can find a good one. Well, we're gonna want different categories. Fuck me. What are the different categories of stock? And then you have the Dow 500. No, not the Dow 500. The what's it called? The S&P 500, I think. We could use Robinhood. They have a lot of categorical stuff. Stocks. Okay, fuck it. We'll just use Google. So we have currency stocks. We could have a section for that. And then we have world markets. So those are the, I guess, the top world stocks or something. We have the United States markets. And these are indexes. So they're like groups of stocks, right? Something like that. Or no, it's like a representation of those. Okay. And then we also got to think about how we want to display the stock, the price changes of the stocks within a GUI. We could also develop a website alongside this, even if we really want to, we could do that. We got to find a good API though. And that'll take time. That's something we can implement later on too. It doesn't have to be right now. How much you think you'll sell this for? Probably like, I don't fucking know, $20. I don't expect anybody to buy it. You might. That'll be hot. I think the easiest thing for now is to have like categories like currency stocks, and then like the US market stocks, and then the world market stocks, and then list them from like whatever you would list them by. I guess maybe popularity, just list them from top to bottom, or have a page. And then also we can have a search feature too, so people can search for their stocks that they want to invest in, something like that. Does this plugin work with 1.12.2? No, it's specifically for 1.16 point whatever, 0.3 I guess, or just whatever 1.16 should work. I'm not sure. I don't know how to make it multi-version. That's something I've struggled with because it's very advanced. It uses advanced Java to do that, so I gotta look into how to do that. A lot of people have requested that my plugins be multi-version, but I couldn't figure it out. It's too advanced, but I'll try. But fuck you if you use fucking older versions. You're a loser anyway. No offense. Okay, offense. Anyway, so let's try setting up a model to model our data. See what happens. So where's the model that we want? We're gonna want a listing model. So we'll call this a Yeah, listing. Listing. Item listing. I think that's a better name. Item listing. Cool. So this represents an item within our market. And so our database will take this and use it and stuff. So what is a listing going to consist of? That's what we have to provide for this. Someone names Thirsty Virus uses an API where if p.getItemInHand in a version 1.9 plus. Oh, okay. Yeah. Stuff like that. And there's not a lot of good explanations either on the interwebs of how to do it, so that's even more hard. You know, so yeah. Let me pull up my other plugin here so I can just use an example of a model, so I don't have to think too hard. Put on my other screen over here. Wait, this is not the right one, is it? I think I'm using. Wait. It is good. Okay, so we're gonna need an ID because every table row has an ID. So private integer ID, private, and then what else? The owner of it. So UUID, owner, UUID, and then we'll pull up our database real quick. Let me close the other ones. Our database code is in. Where's our database code? Shop utils. Here it is. So it's just horrendous. I mean, it's not that bad, but it could be better. Because as you can see, I'm passing in all the attributes inside of the method parameters, so that's a little stupid. I could just pass in the model objects and that'll be easier to work with. But where am I creating the database is the question. Well, we can use this, create new shop listing. So we'll copy this data here. What is that? What's that? Oh, okay. So the owner name, the owner UUID. Why am I storing the owner name? Doesn't even make sense. Why would I store the owner name within the database if I can just get it from the player object? That doesn't even make sense. Yes, I do. Why am I storing the owner name? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'll check it out. Thanks. And also, here I'm storing the lore of the item. I think this is before I knew how serialization works, so I could change that too. Instead of storing the lore of the item, I could store the item itself. I'm also storing the display name of the item, which doesn't make any sense. The material name of the item, the amount of the item. So I could make this so much better. So let's think about how we want to do that and put it into a model here. So we're storing the owner UUID, and then we're storing the item itself. So we can change this from that. So store a string of the item serialized. So wait, is that what we want to do? Yeah, I think that's what we want to do. So items no. Yes. Okay, yes. Item encoded. And then we can have a utility method that decodes the item into an item stack. That's what we could do. And And then we want to store other information about the item, like its price, its expiry date, and yep, I think that's all we need. So price and expiry date, and that's going to be a timestamp object, right? Something like that. Okay, so price, and so price is a double, and then private timestamp, stamp. Or we can just use a date object for now. Whatever. Or use a local data object. I think that's probably better. Probably better. Probably better. So expire dates. There we go. And then now we can just generate getters and setters for that. There we go. You can decompile the plugin I sent you on Discord. It's just, oh, you already said that. Okay. And then we want a constructor for that too. So we'll get a noargs constructor first. And then a argument constructor. There we go. Looks good to me. Okay, so now that we have that, we can stop passing in every argument into here. Yes, so we'll stop doing that. What else? Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. So create shop listing, and then we can replace this with a item listing object, right? All right. Yeah. So we're storing the amount of days, hours, and minutes. And then what are we doing? We're using a calendar object and putting that into a calendar object. And then we are setting the timestamp based upon that calendar object. So a timestamp is a SQL thingy-majiggy. Okay. So should we use a calendar? Or should we store it as a it's a good question. How should we store it is the question. So inside of here we have a local data object, but we can't really do that the same way. So we got to think about that. So can we do future dot get day of month, get time zone, get time? We can get the time. We can also use a timestamp itself. No, we can't. We cannot. So we want to figure out how to get the day of the month and all that from this object here if we can. But it's asking for a field. What is the field? So get time dot get time. What the fuck? What the fuck? And these are all deprecated, of course. Oh, so we can just provide it like that. Okay, that works. Okay. So instead of storing a local date, we can store a calendar object. I think that would work. So let's change the type here. So type migration, calendar, refactor. And then So when we create a new item listing, we gotta think about the best way to create the calendar itself. What we could do is just make a second constructor that accepts a day, hour, and minute. So integer days, integer hours, and then integer minutes. Or should it be long minutes? That'd probably be better. But we'll do integer minutes. And then what we do is do this basically. So just copy what we have here and do that. And then this dot expire date is equal to future. There we go. Okay. Which Ark are you playing? What is it called? I play Ark with my friend Andy, but it was weird. It was hard to play. It's not very good for new players from the one I played. I'm not sure which one it was. Survival Evolve. Oh, I think that's the one I played. I made this giant black guy. That's so random, but yeah. Anyway, so now we can pass in a item listing object. So yeah, it's pretty tricky. So item listing, and then based upon that object, we can construct or enter a new row into the database. So yes. Or what we could do, yeah, that's good. We'll keep it how it is. So, well, we do need a utility method that is able to easily translate this into the player. So I wonder if we should just add it as a method of this. Where would be the best place to add a method like that? Should it be a static method or a non-static method of this class here? So let's say we want to make a method that is able to take this UUID, convert it into a player object, and then get the name of the player based upon that object. I wonder if that would be better as a static method or as a just a regular non-static method. I guess, it could be static. I don't think it matters. So we'll try static, I guess. Or no. Well, I don't know. Let's just do non-static for now. So public string player name. So get player name. And so then we're going to do offline player. Wait. Yeah, offline player. Player is equal to bucket dot get server, no, get player, and then pass in the UUID. So this dot owner UID, and then player dot get display name or get name. We just return that. So return player dot get name. Wait, Cody, are you not allowed to obfuscate your code on Spigot? Apparently, from what I've seen, you cannot do that. That's why I don't like it. But it's whatever. I think it's the reason they don't want you to is so they can check your code for any malicious stuff if you get reported or whatever. Oh, they do? Oh, maybe they don't care. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong about that. Or they just don't care, maybe. Or they don't check it. So what we want to do first is actually make sure that this player is actually a player. So we want to make sure it's not null first. So if player is not equal to null, then we output the player. Otherwise, what do we return? That's a good question. What should we return if there's no player? We'll say return John Smith. Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'll look into that because that's a good question, Primum. Anyway, so now we have a cool method that is able to get the name. So now we can do listing.get player name. And then, yeah, so cool. And then what, we want the UID. So listing.get owner UID.toString. Excuse me. Then what do we want for this? So the type of the item. Yeah, we don't need to store that anymore. So we just need to serialize the item and then store it. So we're gonna make a item serialization thingy real quick. How do we do that? Do I have code for that? I wonder. Thanks. I think I have code for that in my resources channel. So I probably won't play again. Probably not, but thanks for the suggestion. Where's my serialization thingy? Ah, here we go. Perfecto. How long have you been subscribed, by the way? Because I don't remember your name before you joined the stream, like before the last 3 streams. Are you new here, or have you been like around for a while? Crazy Master. Crazy Master. I don't recognize that name either. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks, Ahmed D, for following. Or subscribing, whichever that was. Maybe that was from YouTube, I'm not sure. But thanks anyway, dude. If you're even here. I think you are. I hope so. I don't think that was a sub. I think that was a, well, I think it might have been a YouTube sub. So that's a little confusing, because on here it says he followed. So maybe it was a YouTube sub? I don't fucking know. I do have an emote. Actually, my emote was just approved. It's only one emote, though. It's this. And the name is weird. But you can use it. I can add more, but I gotta fix the images to make them square, apparently. It's the cool emote. What's the hardest plugin I made so far? This right here, what I'm working with right now. It's just very complex. The menu system's complex, the database code is complex, and its features are pretty complex. I've never made a mini game though before. I think that's going to be a challenge, and I'm excited to do that. I want to make custom mini games and game modes for my network. So yeah, that's going to be a challenge, but I'm ready for it. There's still so much I don't know about Java though, it's crazy. am I doing? So I need to change this right here to match the updated code of my database. So we want to change this here to only show the item instead of material name, amount, display name, and all that. So let's get rid of this. Well, how long is a serialized string? That's a good question, actually. How long is a serialized string? How many characters? Yeah. Funny thing is, though, I don't remember like most of my episodes of my Java series. I need to go back and watch them. Some stuff I don't even remember teaching. It's kind of crazy. I'm like a raging alcoholic or something, even though I don't drink alcohol. So we got the owner or UUID. So we'll change this to the item. So item or items. We'll do item. That's fine. We'll call this the serialized item, actually. So serialized item. Okay. And then the price. And then the expire date. And then we can get rid of these last two right here. Wait, this isn't my code? What the fuck? I just realized this is not my code. I thought I made this. So I need to fix it, I think. Let's do that real quick. Wait. Yeah, I need to fix this. So this is for an inventory, so we just want to do a single item stack. For now at least, but I think we could integrate multiple items into our marketplace. That'd be kind of cool, I think. I'll be right back, okay? Gonna go kill somebody.
I do. Order 2 fish like Zeus. I'm about to ball, but I don't like to lay up. I work through the day and the night, so I stay up. Invaders and you know hear me go way up. Want me for a feature, then you better pay up this cash. Give me the racks, yeah. I wanna get me a pack, yeah. Brush them off like black, yeah. I run a beat like track, yeah. Fire, yeah. Girl, tell me what you desire. Kill them all, I'm a cool minds, yeah. They hand me the paper like flies. Too cold ice climbers. On rotation like my tires. I don't ever get tired. I be feeling way too inspired. I'm going way back. She text me, don't text like I hate that. I tell her to shake that. Back it up, shake that. Just drop it. She gonna pop it and lock it. Soul music got my locker. She got my picture in a locket. Like hell, I buy like a month. On top like a bunk. Super Saiyan, call me Trunks. I don't care what you want. See, I got the cake on me. I look like a bakery. Shawty said she wanna stay with me. I know Shawty wanna lay on me. See, I got the juice. 50 shades of the goose. Kicking off her shoes. Ooh, I think she on the loose. And she know I got the moves. She gon' do it for the views. I be paying all my dues. Order 2 fish like Zeus. Had 2 cars, but then I had to sell one. Everybody think they cool, but trust me, they ain't nothing. I was grinding for a minute from my home. Now I'm on it, people won't just leave me all alone. Take a flight out to Tokyo. See you flex on IG, but you lie just like Pinocchio. Say you getting money, but that ain't no real scenario. I been getting cash, you know I'm nuts just like pistachio. Bitch, I'm international. A little bit less, a little bit high. Bitch, I got the swag, I got the swag, I got the swag. A little bit less, a little bit high. Bitch, I got the swag, I got the swag, yeah. A little bit less, a little bit high. been getting racks, making stacks off the bench. Game, set, Nike, check. They just hit my line, got a deal on deck. I don't rock a lot of jewelry, but my chain on neck. Wallet, check, keys, check, phone, check. I be check. Oh, look who it is.
Mic on.
Bitch, you hate on me, I'll put your house on my wrist. I was in Japan and I just bought me some cakes. Now I'm chilling out with friends, bitch, you know what it is. Got a skinny gold chain, but my pocket's so thick. Yeah, since I left the stoop,
It's been popping your dick. Karate and Mr. Miyagi. I got the fast for a minute. It's crisp. You know that she thick. Out the whip. Live my life as a kid. Let him rip. Yeah. Keys. Check. Check. I be making checks. Cat. Game. Got a deal on deck. I don't rock a lot of jewelry. Put my chain on. Yeah. My shoes, they cost me $1,000. Hey. Hey. I know I told you again. I'm back. Okay. Primo, you still there? Or did you abandon me? I would never give up. Oh, okay. Hello. Don't you ever abandon me, you hear me? Don't you ever. So we need to serialize it back in back into a thingamajiggy. Oh, I just realized, what the hell? We don't need to wait, let's think. So what we're doing here is serializing it, but then we need to encode it after we serialize it. So we need to grab it. So that's what we're doing here, but then we need to change this to dot encode. There we go. So I return the serialized thingamajiggy, and then dot toString. There we go. One of my alt bases got wiped again by a demonic parasaur. Dude, demonic parasaurs are the worst. Those fuckers, dude. Every time. Every single fucking time. So now we want to do the opposite. So string serialized item is equal to data input dot get read string, right? No, right? No. Read object, right? Yeah. Read object. But that gives you an object, so we have to wait. I forgot what I was doing. Oh, yes. Okay, so yes. So we have to do first. Wait, what? Oh. Right. So right here. So we'll change this to decode. So you're passing in the string that gives you the byte array. So then you take the byte array and put it back into an object of item stack. And then you return item stack. And then cast this dog item stack. There we go. Hopefully that works. We'll find out if it doesn't or does. So serialized item is going to be stored there. So then we can change this to match that. So we'll change this to this. I wonder, should we return the encoded string or should we return the item?
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break.
Well, yeah, we'll just keep it how it is, because then we could deserialize it when we need to, and then serialize it when we need to. It's not a big deal.
Wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. I need an angel after what you did, 'cause you were the devil, you messed with my head. You lied to my mother, you lied to my friends. You said that you'd be there, but this never ends. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. 'Cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips. You're just a ghost inside my head. Oh, you're just a ghost inside my head. I'm stuck with my own ghost.
Oh, hello. Thanks for the host, Tochimongo. That's my first host. Thank you. Oh yeah, we should change this too. Does you have calculus to do? Yeah. But that can wait. The homework's not due till tomorrow, so welcome back, Primum. Welcome back, Tochimongo. That's your new name, by the way, Tochimongo. Sounds cooler. You're welcome. You're very welcome. Oh shit. So I gotta create an object from that. So new expired listing. No. New item listing. Except that we need to make it so that this does not accept an integer. This will be generated by the database. Well, actually, well. Yeah, you're bungo. You're a bungo. We can just overload it if we have to. So we'll copy that and put it like that. So we only need the first. I mean, at this point. At this point, should we just fucking store a time zone object? I think that would make way more sense. Wait, timestamp. Damn it. Damn it. We can't pass it back like that. So what's the best way to do it? We could create a new calendar, but that's like retarded. It's not a good option. So, but let's do it anyway for now. So new calendar. But you can't make a calendar from... My delay's not even long, it's probably your internet. You got the Walmart internet, boy. So if I can't store a calendar, what should I store? That's the question. What should I store? Well, I need to store a calendar because that's the easiest way to get a future date. But I can't from that. So I could accept a timestamp. Well, where do I need a calendar? I only need a calendar when I'm creating it. So I could store a timestamp. Yes, I think that's the best option. Let's migrate the type. Oh, you got the Walmart gold tier internet? Nice. And going places. That's what I like to hear. Okay. Progress has been made. Very good. Get item stack from cell ID. We can't do that anymore. That's not good. But we can, well, let's think about it. So we're calculating the time based upon the timestamp of the expiry date, which is still valid. Except this time, we're constructing a item stack based upon the item, but we're serializing the item. So we want to decode the item and then deserialize it. So we'll do item is equal to bucket serialization dot deserialize, and then pass in results dot get string serialized item. All right, cool. Has anyone here used an optional before in Java? We can just return null. That's the thing we could do. A list of item listings. Otherwise, return null. So the result is the result set. So the result set, we want to get each of the thingamajiggies. So while result that has, what is it, next, dot next, yep. So while that is that, let's have a array list, so array list of item listings. So that'll add each one of them, and then we'll return it. Cannot complete normally. What does that mean? Whatever. Let's remove that.
Oh my god, I never thought I'd ever hear MGMT again. But guess who popped up on the Yo Gabba Gabba Spotify station yesterday?
The fuck?
She's late for baby yoga, but she's looking hella fly.
The fuck am I listening to?
Everybody's eye. With her brand new Orbit stroller and her probiotic smoothie, I hope was checking prices on that tasty vegan soup.
Okie dokie.
You didn't know I'm true. It's alright with me. If it's alright with you, then I could be whatever it is that you need me to. My life is your golden. It's your golden. you're golden. 'Cause you're golden. Golden boy. 'Cause you're golden. Golden boy. It's okay if you run. Cause you're golden.
Okay. So that's gonna be stored within there. So we'll delay it right there. Great. Great, great, great. Oh shit. Alright, it's good.
Yeah, a couple of yes it takes, and then we'll just wrap it up. Now this one doesn't have to be perfect. It's just kind of like a closing letter to the people. Who am I talking to? I'm alone in here.
Hey babe, hope you enjoyed your stay. Hope the record made you move and groove out today. I got a large dose of comatose coming my way, cause I've been putting in the late night work for this play. I've been dressing up the stage, I've been coming out the cage, I've been coming of age. The age is still never quite reached the stage I probably should be at, but that's okay. I just wanna say thanks, y'all made my day. If you made it this far, then you listened a bit. And a message this direct on a project mix is probably not what you'd expect, but before you press next, hey. Well, I just wanted to spit my deep appreciation, cause I'm chasing a dream. Y'all found this shit, and then you actually streamed a stream of consciousness flowing from my brain to my mouth. And even if it went south, well, I guess you stuck around. Hot damn, I know I'm laying on the cheese, but right up in your headphones is where I wanna be, or your speakers. See, I'm up in your house, creeper. Now seriously, let me bring you up to speed. I used to sit and
Make a chat prog tutorial next. What is that? Chat prog? What is that? Speak of the English, please. I just watched the Surler post rec param on YouTube. Chat prog? Chat prog. Oh, chat program. Okay, what do you have in mind? Like, what kind of chat program do you think? Give me an example. So servlet, like one that can accept multiple connections, sending and receiving data uses synchronous sockets. And okay, I don't know. I gotta look into that. Gotta look into that. I'm not sure if that's possible with servlets per se. Maybe. I know they're... Well, servlets are natively not thread safe because they are synchronous. Or no. No. It's... I'm getting the... So they're not synchronous, but they are separate threads, so they're not thread safe because it's a separate thread and variables and all that. And... No. Okay, so servlets are not thread safe because the servlet is not a thread, obviously, but multiple threads. Each connection is a thread, so that connection is accessing the servlet. So you're saying use an asynchronous servlet to work with a chat thingamajiggy. That's interesting. I do want to do some chat stuff. I want to make an IRC bot. I need to make one for one of my assignments for school. So I could turn that into a web application. I think that would be pretty sick. It's a good idea. So people can interact with the IRC chat using the online interface, and then we can even make a bot for it, something like that. That'd be pretty sick. Good idea. But speaking of that, after the next episode in the series, I'll be doing a project in the series. So we learned a lot so far, so it's like 9 episodes we're up to, I think, 8 or 9. So the next thing will be a project. We're going to be making a calculator type application, and then we'll move on to more advanced stuff like JSP, expression language, and yeah, so we're going to get that, and then we're going to do even more advanced stuff. And Yeah, it's a cool idea. Thanks for the idea. I like it. Something I could do also is I did this before. Like, it's kind of a fun thing. You can make a web interface and hook it with a Discord bot, and then whenever you talk on the, let's say on the website, you can type in like a chat message into the website. Almost dropped my bottle. You can type in a chat message to the website and then press submit, and then the bot like talks in the Discord channel. So it's like kind of a troll. It's kind of fun. So I could do something like that too. It's pretty easy though. So that's making me think. I like the idea. Wait, Gatorade, have you watched all the episodes in the series yet, or you just saw the recent one? If you're still there. Oh, just the recent one? Okay. There we go. So we need this.
smile again. Oh, oh, oh. 'Cause I was happy for a while, and I don't know how I'll smile again.
Alright, so we've made good progress. I've just finished making the database code more better structured. So what I'm going to do now is test it and see what bugs happen, because I'm sure I'm forgetting to change something, so we're just going to test it out and then fix anything as stuff arises, because we've done some major changes. So what we're going to do is reset the config file and also the database, because we just changed the whole database. The structure of the table is so Cortex shot menu 38, Cortex shot menu right here, 38. So okay, that means there's an issue opening up the marketplace menu. So marketplace menu, $289 right here. So found listings add, and add can be null. Select all. Time zone? Wait, what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Fuck, what is it? Sticking my cheese in my ears? Where do you see that? I forgot where I did that. Why do I have so little slots? So I haven't actually implemented anything yet. Do you know anything about the stock market? Have you ever read up on how that works at all? Yeah, so I'm not like an expert or anything, obviously. I know how like basics work, you know, buy stocks, price changes over time, you sell when it's higher, you know, blah blah blah. And so what I'm going to do is so currently I have 2 different shops. I had a 3rd shop, but I'm going to remove this one. So I have a marketplace so people can basically auction their items and stuff, and then I have a regular shop so people can buy items and whatnot. So I'm going to have a 3rd type of shop, so the stock market. And so it's going to grab the stock data from an API. So let's say they look up the Tesla stock, so TSLA. So what it's going to do is use the API to grab the Tesla stock at that moment and display the price to the user in the menu, and then they can choose to buy it or not. And then it'll auto update the price over time, obviously, however many seconds or whatever. And so they can just buy or sell stocks in Minecraft. And then obviously that's not going to apply to like any real accounts or anything. It's going to be like simulated. So they're going to buy stuff. It's not going to be legit, but it's going to be legit within Minecraft, the server. And then so when the prices change, they can sell or, you know, not sell. And if they sell, if it's high, then they get money, just like the real stock market. So it's so yeah, they're going to be able to look up any stock, at least that's the idea, or any stock index, and then invest in it or whatever if they want to. And yeah, so that's the idea pretty much. I think that's a cool idea because I haven't seen any things like that before. I think that'll be fun to do. You use player heads for the arrows. Then in the other menu, it might look good if you use them for the shop selection menu. as in the main shop or the lectern. Oh, you mean here? Yeah, I actually did that initially whenever I did add the player heads thing, but it didn't look good in my opinion. It just looked weird. But it's a good idea though. I'll make that configurable for sure. But yeah. I really like the stock market idea. I think that's going to be pretty cool. I don't know if I'm going to implement like calls and puts and all that though. Like option stocks. I don't know, maybe it's a little advanced. I don't even know how that works barely. Also, I got to think about well, I got to think about this. So real life money is obviously not the same as the Minecraft in-game currency, so the prices are different. So we can look up the let's say we look up the Tesla price using the API. Let's say that's $400. Then obviously $400, depending on which server you're on, is not a lot of money. In terms of Minecraft economies, 400 is nothing. So we might have to have a currency converter. So we need to probably come up with a ratio for US dollars to Minecraft dollars, something like that. Yeah, something like that, I guess. I don't know. That's a good question, Ozzy. I wanted to make it premium, but I don't want people to just steal it like that. So I may just have it on my own server. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. We shall see. Or you could create your own currency using Vault and make it in real life US dollars. Yeah, but it's still going to need to convert at the end of the day. That's actually a good idea, but it's still going to need to convert at the end of the day, because if we're going to make this useful for any server, I mean, there's no point in investing in the stock market if you have to keep it in a separate Vault account. You want that to translate directly to Minecraft money, because then you could buy loot and people with it. Not people, oops, not slaves, but yeah, so that's a cool idea actually. So either we have to make the decision, do we want the stock prices to display in US dollars, and then they could have like a separate stock account, and then they could cash that into Minecraft in-game dollars, with a ratio like a whatever US to Minecraft dollars, or do we want it to display as Minecraft dollars automatically? That would probably be easier, but I don't know. Something to think about. Wait, are you saying this is going to be a public server? Yeah, it's going to be part of my network I'm working on. All the not all the plugins are going to be custom, but a good amount of them I'm going to make myself. Yeah. Like, if you don't want conversions, then the whole server would need to be based on the US dollar, which is, I don't know how that would work. I mean, it could work, but I don't think many people will like that idea. I think they would rather direct conversions, and they can edit the conversion rate within the config file. Also, but we can also make a custom stock. That would be kind of cool. We can make so there's currency stocks. I don't know how they work exactly in the real stock market, but there's currency stocks for the US dollar to euros and blah blah blah. So we could have our own custom stock, and then that fluctuates in the in-game stock market. So the conversion rate doesn't stay static; it actually fluctuates just like the real US dollar to whatever conversion rate does. That's an interesting idea. I don't know how all that works though. I haven't looked into that. So what's next on the plugin list? An Essentials X Core thing maybe. I'll probably just be using Essentials, but what I've got planned so far, one thing I want to do is have a plugin for a custom in-game time zone. So that's something that Hypixel Skyblock has, so that's something I want to do. So you can have, so my friend were talking about this, one of the server managers were talking about this. So we want the game to be immersive for our Skyblock thingy. So we want a custom in-game time zone that is not the same as the real world. So we were thinking every 3 hours would translate to 1 hour in real time. So every 1 hour in real time would translate to 3 hours in game time. So game time goes by faster in terms of like the ratio of real time to game time, if I'm thinking this correctly. Yeah, faster. So yeah, so that's the next plugin I'm gonna work on, is an in-game time thing, and you can view the time on your action bar or whatever. That's gonna integrate with whatever action bar plugin I come up with that shows your HP and all that. And then so that plugin's gonna be cool too. So I can make an action bar plugin that you can choose what you want to have on your action bar. So you can have different stats show, like the time or your HP level, or other stats that are, you can like switch between each stat with a GUI system. So I think that's a cool thing. Also, what else? I don't know what else. I think I had other ideas, but I don't remember what they are. But besides that, I want to have custom game modes and stuff. That'd be nice. But yeah, those are my ideas for now. So it says title cannot be null. What is that? I think we'll come back to this next time I stream. I think I'm gonna probably get off. My back hurts, and got some math work to do. But thanks for everyone who was watching today. Thanks Ozimar, Ash. Thanks to all of you guys. Whoever else is still here. Primum, if you're still here, thanks for joining. Yeah, it was a good stream. We got a lot done actually. So we set up the database so it's better, uses an object model, so that's more better. That's a word or a phrase, whatever. I'm tired, I can't speak. But yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna stream next, but I'll probably stream tomorrow. I don't want to, but I mean I do want to, but I have other things to do. But yep, thanks again for joining. If you're not in my Discord server, by the way, and you're watching, you can click the little Discord image below the stream and you can join my Discord community, get some friends and all that. You can also follow if you're not following, all that cool stuff. And check out my YouTube channel too. So anyway, see you later guys. I always don't know what to say, but see you later guys. Oh, thanks Ozzy. Have a good day and everything in England. Have a good day, mate. Pop cheerio, mate. Have a good day. See you later, mate. See you later.